Hey guys, today we're going to make teriyaki chicken. Now I absolutely adore teriyaki chicken because of its big, bold flavors and the fact that it's so quick and easy to prepare. So let's start with our marinade. I prefer my teriyaki less sweet and more salty, so I'm going in with about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, followed by 1 tablespoon of vinegar, then add some honey or maple syrup, chop up some thin slices of ginger, add just a dash of water and a teaspoon of sugar. Give everything a good stir and that's your marinade complete. How simple was that? This really does make the perfect, easy, quick midweek meal. Right, onto our chicken breast. First I'm going to remove the fillet piece underneath, then I'm slicing into the breast to help thinning it out. I'll use these fillets for another dish. Cover your chicken with plastic wrap before giving it a gentle pounding. We're pounding the chicken till it's all one even thickness, and this allows us to cook the entire breast evenly. If we skip this step, then the thin side would be overcooked and dry by the time the thick side is cooked. But remember, we've sliced into this already, so be gentle. Perfect. Now we're going to flour our chicken. Pass a small amount of plain flour through a sieve, gently dusting the chicken. You want to coat the chicken breast with a thin layer of flour. Repeat this on both sides, using your hands to spread the flour and ensure of no clumps. Flouring the chicken does 2 things. Firstly, it protects the chicken from losing any of its juices, meaning more succulent chicken. Secondly, it helps the marinade really stick to the chicken and hold on to all that flavour. If you've never floured chicken before, please try it. And trust me, it's an easy trick to ensure your chicken is on point every time. Do it and let me know what you think in the comments below. Place your pan on a medium heat and coat with olive oil. You want to make sure the whole pan is coated well, as we don't want our marinade to cook out too quickly once it's on the heat. Add your chicken to the pan and chill out. Relax, pour yourself a drink and let the chicken and the pan do their thing. After about 2 minutes, go ahead and add your teriyaki marinade to the pan. And this is where the fresh ginger comes alive and adds a real depth to this dish. Leave the ginger to simmer in the marinade. Flip the chicken and allow it to cook for a minute before spooning on the marinade. Initially the marinade will run off, but as it reduces it will get thicker, darker and more intense in flavour. Keep basting and you'll notice it will become a lot more fragrant. This is exactly what we want. Flip over again for another minute and give it a final baste. At this stage the marinade should be a sticky, syrupy consistency. Wow, that really does look stunning. Place on a board to rest and top with any remaining marinade in the pan. Spread the marinade generously over. It should have a nice shiny gloss like this. Wow, this really is mouthwatering. Slice up some fresh spring onion, the white part as well as the green. You can't have teriyaki without the spring onion, it's just not the same. Slice your chicken up into centimetre thick slices. If you look closely you'll see just how perfect that chicken is cooked, still so juicy and succulent. Top with some toasted sesame seeds. Garnish with the spring onions, and there you have it. So simple, huge flavour, and ready in minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Simple, juicy teriyaki chicken. Absolutely fucking delicious.